Hi, I'm Darren.
I'm Lisa.
And we're from New South Wales, Central Coast.
We own a MDC Highside Cruiser. Love it. Living the dream. You've got the best of both worlds for a female. You've got your hot water shower, you've got your kitchen. What more could you ask for?
This is our first really big trip with this trailer. It's been handling the dirt and everything pretty good. We left 4 weeks ago and we came up through Nakundra and Colomulla and Quilpie and then out onto the dirt to here, Birdsville, and we're having a ball.
We knew friends that actually had the MDC and we got to see it set up properly for the first time at Rover Park. When I've looked in and my girlfriend said come and have a look, it's exactly what I wanted. It had everything that I could even attempt to want, because everything I had before was a soft floor, no power, no nothing. So then we decided to go and see Ray at Newcastle and we had the best experience. She is just really awesome. She'll show you how things work properly, and if you have any issues straight away, give her a call and it's sorted out.
All I can say is thumbs up to Ray and her team. They're really good. We've had nothing but good from them. We see them at the show and they remembered us and said hello, which I think is great. The tow's pretty good. We've got a Nissan Patrol. I find that it tows really well behind that. Overall, very good to tow with, very good towing, and it does everything that you ask of it on and off road.
You're hopeless.
I know.
I'm quite a Facebook sort of person. I use a lot of social media. So I found that the Facebook page for MDC owners and also the MDC owners coming to the bash has been brilliant. There's been so many other ideas of different things that you can do, people that have been before, and they give you so much advice. And you can ask a question, don't feel stupid, answered properly, and there's been nothing but positives from me for all of it.
Yeah, great community. And being here at the bash, there's a lot here to see and do, and yeah, we're just having a ball. Setting up wise, we find that the MDC CRUIZER HIGHSIDE is 15 minutes, and we're set up to where we're at this point. So much easier. You can do whatever you need to do. I think it's pretty good all the way around for overnight stops as well as set up for long periods of time. It's pretty good.
The fact that I've actually got an inner spring mattress in the camper instead of just a foam is a big plus, especially as you're getting older. You want those creature comforts. You've got a beautiful lounge. As you can see, we've got a table that can come from either inside the camper to out to be used as drinks, anything else you want. You've got a lounge that you can sit in of a night time if it's wet and you don't want to actually be outside. So you've got best of both worlds. You've got a bit of home as well as a bit of outdoors.
Yeah, once we got here, we noticed quite a few MDCs of all different sorts. Everyone seems very friendly. You walk up and with our shirts on, oh, how are you? And it's pretty positive, I think, and there's a lot of them here. There seems to be more than any other brand that we've noticed, and all shapes and sizes, from soft floor to hard floor to caravans. There's a big range, and the community is pretty good all round. We love it. Can't talk highly enough about the brand and the people we've met that have got them. Okay, thanks for listening to us and all your feedback and so forth. We're off to the music. We're living the dream, and all I can say is go out there and get an MDC and live the dream with us.